2018 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options. Power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, power windows, security system, heated front seats, rear window defroster, trip computer, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, power driver's seat, driver vanity mirror. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.